Did you know a Ferrari obsession brought down one of history's biggest vault heists? In 1987 London, Valerio Vice was living the dream. Italian playboy, fast cars, expensive suits. But he wanted more. The Knightsbridge security deposit was fortress-like. Millions stored in safe deposit boxes. Impossible to crack, unless you had inside help. Vici befriended the depot manager, learned every detail, every weakness, every routine. His crew posed as regular customers, walked right through the front door. Once inside, they revealed their true plan. Staff became hostages. The vault became their playground. Box after box, 40 million pounds in cash, gold, and jewelry. Gone. The escape was flawless. The crew vanished into Europe, but Vice couldn't let go of his precious Ferrari, still parked in London. His ego demanded he return for it. Police were waiting. The car that defined his lifestyle became his downfall. Sometimes the very thing that makes you feel invincible is exactly what destroys you.